Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage customers' abandoned carts. So whenever a customer wants to make an order and the customer does not complete the order, let's say the customer abandons the order before placing the order in the store, the store will automatically save the order as an incomplete order. So you see orders like this with the status set as incomplete. So what this means is that the customer abandoned the ordering process and didn't complete it. So when you see orders like this, for you to be able to track this kind of orders, you need to access the abandoned carts section. So to access the abandoned cart section, you navigate to the store management section here and then select sales. So in the sales section, you can see there's an option called abandoned carts. So clicking on it, this will show us the abandoned carts dashboard. So here will show you a bird's eye view of the total number of abandoned carts, the total number of completed carts, and the total number of notified abandoned carts. So notified abandoned carts are orders that were abandoned by a customer, but you have sent a reminder email to the customer to complete the order. So for us to view all abandoned carts, we can come here and click view details, or we simply come here and select abandoned carts. So clicking this will take us to the abandoned carts list page. So this is the order that was shown in the dashboard as incomplete. So you can see that here the customer was trying to order this product, but did not complete the ordering process. So the abandoned cart section allows us to manage this kind of orders by giving us the option to send reminder emails to the customer. So before you can send a reminder email to the customer, you will need to first create what is known as email templates. So for us to check and ensure that we have existing email templates, we come here and select the email templates option. So here you can see that we have an existing email template called reminder. So we can go ahead and edit this email template or create a new one by clicking the add button here. So well, let's say we want to edit this email template. So we proceed and click on the edit button here. So clicking the edit button will take us to the email templates edit page. So this is the content of that email template. We can change the title. So let's change the title to abandoned carts email, abandoned carts reminder email, right? And then for the subject, we can change it. We say complete your order. All right. So this is the title of the mail that will be sent to the customer when you activate the reminder email feature. So once we have adjusted the subject, we can adjust the message that will be sent to the customer. So currently you see we have added shortcodes. So these shortcodes will show actual value of the variable here when the email is sent to the customer. So to learn about the shortcodes you can add to the email template, so you can see them here. So adding this, let's say we add the logo shortcode. So if we add the logo shortcode here, it means that the store logo will be included when the or with store logo will show when the email is sent to the customer. So once we have adjusted the email template and make sure that the status of the template is enabled, we go ahead and save. All right. So after we've saved, you see that the changes we made is now active here. So for us to be able to use this email template to notify the customer, we come back here and select abandon carts option here. And then in the abandoned cart list page, for us to notify this customer about this order, we come here and tick this box here. So ticking this box will activate the send button. So after this is done, we can now proceed here and select the email template we want to use. So once we do that, we go ahead and click on the send button. So now the customer has been notified of the abandoned cart after we click on the send button. So once we have sent the reminder email, let's say we have gotten the customer and the customer is now ready to complete this order. So I'll go ahead and simulate that the order has been completed by the customer. So when the customer completes this order will be moved from here to the completed carts section here. So what we'll do now is we proceed to the storefront end and complete this order. So I'll log into this customer account to complete this order. All right. So in the storefront, I'll proceed. So I'm already logged into the account. As you can see here, I'm logged on. And then this is the order that was abandoned. As you can see, that's the order. So clicking here, you can see that that's the order. So let's go ahead and check out. All right. All right. So now that we have completed and placed the order, so when we go back to the admin panel, and then when we refresh this abandoned cart list page, you see that the order will no longer be visible here. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. All right. So you see that the order has now been moved from the abandoned carts list to the completed cart list, as you can see here. So this section shows us the list of orders that were abandoned but later completed by the customer. So what we do now is we can now proceed to access the orders page. So to access it, we come to the store management section, select sales, and then select orders. So here you can see the order here. So we can now proceed to either update the order status to notify the customer of the status of the order. So one thing again you need to be mindful of, let's go back to the abandoned cart section, is the notifications section here. So the notifications section, let's go ahead and open it. It allows us to automate the reminder emails that will be sent to customers who abandon carts in the store. So we have the option to use different email templates and set different days that we want the email to be sent, and also set the type of customer that will be notified. So for example, in this entry here, the email template that we had earlier is selected. And then for the number of days option, any number we enter here means the number of days before the email template will be sent to the customer. So if we enter 5 here, it means that the email templates which we have selected here will be sent to the customer 5 days after the customer abandoned a cart in the store. So for this option here that says send to notify customer, if we select no, it means that the email template will be sent to the customer who have not yet been notified before. So let's say we add another one here. We leave this as 1. We select the same email template and set this as 4. So what that means is that after we set this as 4 and set this as yes under the send to notify customer, it means that after this first email is sent, that's a day after the customer abandoned cart, in 4 days time, a second email will be sent using the same email template and to the same customer. Why? Because the customer has been notified before. If we select no here and save, it means that after 4 days, the customer will not be notified. Why? Because that's the same customer who was notified of this will not be notified when this is executed, because we have set this option as no. So if we want the same customer, that's the same customers who have abandoned cart and were sent this to be sent again the same email after 4 days, you go ahead and select yes here and then save. So we can also adjust this by changing the email template to be sent. But for this, we first need to navigate to the email template section and then create a second email template. So we go ahead and do that by clicking the add button here. So we call this second abandoned cart reminder email. Still add the title as complete your order. Add so here we can put the customer name, the first name. So we copy this short code and put it here. Hi, we notified you. Sorry, say this is so we can see other details below. So after we add this, for us to include the list of product that the customer was trying to order, so we go ahead and select the cart shortcode here. So when we select it, we add it here. So we add it here. So this will show the cart information, including the product name and the price. So it will show the list of products that the customer was trying to order. So after we add that, we proceed and complete the email template. Okay. All right. So for this, for us to add link to the cart, we can use the cart page link shortcode. Add it here. All right. All right. All right. So we add the store name shortcode. Okay, so now that we have finished composing the message that will be sent to the customer, we now make sure that the status is enabled and then save. All right, so you can see that the second abandoned cart reminder email has been added. So for us to add this to the notifications section, we come here and then we change this so that this will be the email template that will be sent after 4 days to the same customer who has received this email. So we select it and then save. So note that the automated notification will work irrespective of the number of times that you have set here. So once any customer, either or new or existing customer adds and doesn't complete an order, the customer will receive these emails anytime this the number of days is reached for the abandoned cart. So in this video, I've shown you how to use and manage customers who start an order and doesn't complete an order in your store. Thank you for watching.